You will need comb, sharp scissors, and a bunch of hair ties. First, brush your hair very well. And part it like you prefer to wear it. Now make 2 ponytails, and what's very important is the placement of these ponytails. If you want to get straight bob, place your ponytails close to your ears. If you want to have this slightly graduated towards the front bob, make your ponytails behind your ears. I want to have this slight graduation because I feel like it suits me better. That's why I'm placing my ponytails behind my ears. And now we will need the second set of hair ties. Place the hair tie where you want to cut your hair. And make sure both hair ties are symmetrical, because we want our haircut to be nice and even. And here my advice, it's better to start longer, because you can always make your hair shorter, but unfortunately you cannot glue back everything you already cut. Adjust your hair ties slowly and check once again the symmetry, because it's very important. I mean it, guys, it is. And now starts the best part. We will cut our hair. Yay! If you have thick hair, take one section and cut under the hair tie. If your hair is very fine, you can take the whole piece. Do however feels more convenient to you. If you already check if there are some hair that's sticking out, if not, you can take off your hair ties and check the results. And now it's time for trimming. I always like to start in the front and go towards the back of my head. First trim one section and then use this section as a guide. It will help us stay consistent. Take your time, be careful, and to check the back of your head you can use second mirror. I really love a bob haircut because it's easy to style and it always looks chic and fresh. And you know, maybe first time it won't come up as neat and perfect as you would like it to be, but believe me, I'm doing it for 10 years or maybe even more. And you know, with time and practice, it gets so much easier, so much quicker, and the outcome is always very nice. And in the end, I always like to soften a bit the edges by doing this upward motion. It helps to conceal any imperfections that you might have. And now it's done! You can rock your fresh haircut! I hope this video was helpful and your haircut will come up very nice and you will like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me some comments. I love you all guys, see you in my next one, bye!